So, you're sitting there, all excited to play your brand new PS5, and suddenly you're hit with an error code, WV-109153-9. Frustration sets in, but fear not, because I'm here to help you fix this issue and get back to gaming in no time. First things first, let's understand what this error code means. WV-109153-9 indicates that the connection to the network has timed out. This could be due to various reasons, such as a weak Wi-Fi signal, network congestion, or even issues with your internet service provider. Now let's dive into the troubleshooting steps. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and stable. If you're using a wireless connection, try moving closer to your router or consider using an Ethernet cable for a more reliable connection. Next, restart your PS5 and your router. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary network issues. Turn off your console, unplug the power cord from both your PS5 and your router, wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in and power them on. If the error persists, try resetting your network settings on the PS5. Go to the Settings menu, select Network, then choose Settings. From there, select Set up Internet Connection and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your network settings. If none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to your internet service provider. Contact their customer support and explain the error code you're experiencing. They may be able to provide further assistance or troubleshoot any potential issues on their end. Remember, patience is key during this process. Technical glitches happen, but with a little perseverance, you'll be back to gaming in no time. Good luck and happy gaming.